Ogai madon bura ma DCP Rigathi Gachagua oseyo obila ma owacho ni otigo marach gi sirikal e kelo tungni e yiero madundo ma Ol Kalou e twak mare dalane ma Wamunyoro County ma Nyeri. Gachagua bende oseyo duol mar IEBC mowacho ni ok otiyo tich maler e ombuluno ma kawuono.
As we speak, Munyeki Primary School has been attacked. Huruma Primary School has been attacked. AC Primary School, the biggest polling station, has been attacked. Nyakiambi polling station, Gorika and Mombi. Luckily, the people of Ol Kalou, the true sons and daughters of the Mau Mau, have repulsed these policemen with guns. I have been told now they are regrouping. They are planning to storm all the polling stations. And I'm surprised that EFECON and IEBC has said nothing, even after polling stations have been attacked by hooded police. They are moving in vehicles in broad daylight with rifles and are wearing masks, and IEBC is quiet because they are part of it. IEBC and William Ruto are part and parcel.